Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable in-app OTP on GCash. So first, you want to open your phone settings app. So let's do that. Go to settings. And then from here, you want to go to apps or apps management. Scroll down to find GCash or simply just search for the app. Now from here, you want to go to notifications. And you want to make sure that you toggle on allow notifications or show notifications at the very top. Actually, it would be very wise if you just enable all of these notifications. Once notifications are enabled, your OTPs will now come as push notifications directly inside the app instead of through SMS. Now this means every time you make a transaction, you'll get a secure one-time password right on your phone almost instantly. Remember, you must have push notifications turned on to receive these in-app OTPs. Even if the app isn't open, the OTP alerts will still pop up. And if you want, you can manage promotional messages separately in the GCash app's notification settings. And basically, that's it. Enabling in-app OTP is super easy and adds an extra layer of security to your GCash transactions. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!